Hey, what's going on, beautiful bees? Hope you guys are all doing well. So this is the last day in Florida. I'm in Tampa, and I'm just going to share with you what I've been eating in this video, as well as take you to Lettuce Lake Park, which is all these beautiful animals in their natural habitat. So hope you enjoy this video. Freshly squeezed orange juice. Perfect. Here we are in Florida State Park, and we're gonna see if we can find some alligators. So take a look. There's for sure alligators lurking in these waters. Somewhere down there is an alligator. Sounds like a wild pig behind me. Okay, it's much safer over here with the turtles. This tree is certified to be over 900 years old. Look at that. So look what just fell from the tree. A nice ripe papaya. Isn't this gorgeous? And I'm sweating right now, and I'm going to dig in to this nice ripe papaya. So good. So you guys, here is an alligator up close and personal. At this lake, you could actually go swimming with alligators, go swimming in this lake if you're over the age of 18. How crazy is that? You know, alligators, they are considered still dangerous because, they are carnivores. So their primary instinct is food. And so you got to just kind of watch out for them. But it is nice to see the alligators in their natural habitat, free and not in captivity. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I will get back to normal videos very soon once I'm back home. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below and we will cover them in a future video. Hope you're having a fabulous day. And as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some nature today. Cheers.